반갑습니다. This is MinJae Kim from K Wellness TV. In the last videos, we did chest breathing and chest tapping moving meditation. Today we will go one step further and focus on the chest area and deeply circulating energy. We will do energy breathing meditation around your chest. We will use our chest and hands and also the power of imagination. Imagine in front of you there is a big energy of vortex is circulating, and the energy comes to the center of your chest. And in the chest, if you have lots of stress, that means you have stagnant energy that is blocking the flow of energy. This energy will come to your chest, and as you breathe out, the energy will go out through your hands. And then as you move out to the hands, it will take all the blockages and stagnant energy and out of your body. We all do it through our imagination. That's the power of our mind. Can you do it? You can do it. Relax your body. First of all, find a comfortable place and sit on a chair or on the floor. And have your palms rest on your knees, having your palms facing upward, and straighten your back nice and gently, and relax your neck and shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. Imagine vortex, energy of vortex in front of my chest. Close your eyes. The energy of vortex has lots of powerful and purifying energy. It is coming into the center of my chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep feeling the energy is circulating around your chest. As you breathe out, the Qi energy circulates and goes through your shoulders, to your elbows, to your wrists, and go out through your palms. As the energy goes out, it takes stagnant energy out of your body. Once again, breathe in. Vortex energy comes to your chest. Breathe out. It takes stagnant energy out of your body from your chest. From your shoulders, elbows, wrists, and your palms. If you get lots of stress and unhealthy emotions in your mind, energetically, the energy will be stagnant around your heart chakra, which is your chest area. You want to release stress and tension from your chest before moving on to deep abdominal, diaphragmatic, 단전 breathing. Keep imagining the fresh energy is coming to your chest and stagnant energy move out of your body. If you'd like, you can actually lie down and do this meditation. Breathe in deeply. Your chest expands naturally. Breathe out. Energy goes out through your arms and your palms. Release stress. Let the tension go out of your body. Just like stagnant water is bound to corrupt, stagnant energy will create lots of discomfort and mental and physical illness. Use the power of imagination. Keep feeling the energy around your body. Lean into the feeling. Stay with the feeling. Try to be better at feeling your body. Our body is the home of our awareness. Fresh energy keeps coming to your body through your chest. Stagnant energy begins to flow from your chest, your elbows, to your wrists and your palms. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in deeply, breathe out. Breathe in, bending forward and breathe out. Stop and rub your palms and sit down. Don't you feel your skin feels better? So, relieving the stress and tension and unwanted emotions, the energy, stagnant energy, releasing them is a so important step for your healthier and happier life. Don't expect you can resolve all the things overnight, and keep practicing this every day. Then you will get much better without your knowing it. Thank you so much, and leave a comment and let me know about your feeling and experiences. I will prepare more energy meditation videos for you from the K Wellness TV. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.